This is a short video about my hair transplantation experience, which happened just yesterday itself. So yesterday, they took care of me very well, and it's a very smooth and painless surgery. And by the way, this is my first surgery, and the experience-wise, they took care of me very well, and actually they know what they are doing exactly. So fingers crossed. Within 6 to 8 months, I'm hoping for a best result. Anchoring your roots.